Hi, it's Daps here. Welcome to this YouTube channel. This is quite an unusual video. In this video, I want to show you some of the updates I've seen from Google Chrome that has made my life and my work a lot easier lately. So without further ado, I think we should get started into these update ASAP. So the first of them all is the new Google Lens integration. So if you can see right on my screen right now, you can see that inside the search bar right now, and I have this option for Google Lens. Chrome just launched this update to bring Google Lens a lot closer to us. Google Lens have been around for a while, but a lot of people are not aware about it, and it's not a tool we easily get to use from day to day. So let me show you how this update has been beneficial to me in terms of my work. So right now, this is my website, for example. Let's just say I'm working on a website for a client and I am seeing icons, I'm seeing stuff that I really want to replicate on my design. For example, as you can see on my website here, I can see some icons here, and I really want to have this kind of icon for my website. So what I will just do right now is just easily just with a click of a button, just launch Google Lens, and then I can search this icon with this lens. So right now I have a result with similar images, but let's say I just want to have SVGs of this image, so I can easily just add another prompt to this image, and I just say find. So type in find SVG. I have suggestions already here. So find SVGs for this file, find SVG for this image, for this logo, whatever it is. I can just say find SVG for these images, and just like that, I now have SVGs I can easily copy that I can use in my project. And I think this is super cool. I can still go ahead again and continue. Let's say, for example, I'm interested in this. And right now I have a mouse here, and I think this is beautiful. I just want to have a similar mouse like this. I can see where I can easily buy this mouse very close to me around in Nigeria here, AliExpress here, locally, globally, where I can find this mouse. Let's say, for example, I want to buy maybe a different color of these for my wife. For example, let's say I want to buy color pink. I can just easily just type pink. I don't even need to type much for me to be able to see more options. So you can see now I have color pink of this same product. I can easily buy this on Amazon UK, you buy in Nigeria, and I can just use search, use Google Lens to find things for yourself. So if you are comfortable just using this tool, you can easily pin this tool here so that you can keep using this tool while you are working, or you can easily just close this bar. And I think this is super cool. So if I come to my YouTube channel, Google Lens can still be useful for me here. So if you come up here, you can see that we can't find that here again, but if I just click on this, it will come up here. Another thing I can still do is to right click on this page, so you can see I have this option to search with Google Lens. So right now I can easily just search anything. Let's say, for example, I want to search this video title. I just see a video title and I like it, and just like that, I have this video here. I can easily see people who are ranking for this video. I can see text and other things, tutorials around that same topic, and I can easily just translate this in case it's a language I'm not comfortable with. I can easily translate this into different languages, and I think this is super cool. Now, coming to the second update, that should be the ability for me to group my tabs. If you come to my screen here, you will see a place here where I have groups, mails, channels, watching, tools. So these are groups of tabs I have currently on my Chrome browser. Maybe I should just open up some things to you. So for example, let me come to this group here. So this will bring me to the main tab here, where you can see a lot of things going on here. Sometimes I can have 50 tabs or even much more opened up at once. So if I come to watching right now, you can see that I have lots of tabs, YouTube tabs that open up here that I am watching currently. I am learning something, I am doing something around there. So I have this another tab here that is grouped together that I can easily just have the tools I am working on currently, and also give me access to this tab even if I am on another window. And this is super easy for you to do. I want to open up this site here, fuller.com, and I want to add this to a group. I can just right click this. I can add this to a new group if I want to, or add it to an existing group. And let's just say I want to create a new group. I want to call this let's just say new tools, right? And then I can just give this a color for me to be able to identify them by colors. So for example, let me just make this blue. As you can see that right now, and that's everything I need to do. I just need to hit the enter button on my computer, and then that's it. That group has been created, and this has been added to this tool. So if I click on this right now, so I can see this site is open here, and I think this is super cool. So I can then add other site, like for example SEO writer. I can just add this to a new group, and let me add this to my new tools. So anytime I open these new tools now, I have these tabs here. This has made life a lot easier for me. Now I can easily have my tabs grouped together, so I don't need to have 3, 4, 5 windows open with several tabs open across different windows, and then I'm searching up and down, where is this one, where is this. I have them grouped together. I can easily find them, and then I can easily continue from where I stop. So that's it for the second update. The next one here that I love again is the shortcut that you can easily now have on your Chrome browser. So now let's open a new tab, for example, with just typing art into the search. You now see that you have options now for you to chat with Gemini, for you to search your bookmarks, for you to search your history, and for you to search your tabs. So with this right now, I have several options. I can easily search my history, I can easily search my bookmark, and I can easily start a chat with Gemini. And that's taking me to the next update. And I think with a click of a button now, you can start chatting with AI in case you have complex questions you want to ask. AI has come to stay, and Chrome is aware about it, and Chrome is trying everything possible to also add an AI extension to their search engines. We all have those kind of questions that we want to ask, and this is not you looking for an article someone has written or a video somebody has done on that question. You just want somebody like an human who can rub minds with you, share ideas with you, bounce ideas with you. Right now, you can do that inside of your Google Chrome. How super amazing is this? So right now, I can have a chat with Gemini. I can ask, I just have any random question in my head. I don't even know what to ask, but the question I'm asking right now is, if Martin Luther King was alive today, how different do you think he would have done things? And let's just have a chat with Gemini, and let's see what this AI is able to. So if you're a Chrome user, you can see that this is a game changer. You can easily have access to AI Gemini inside of the search. Personally, for me, there is nothing like having everything I need to work in one place. I love it so much. It makes life a lot easier for me. So instead of what's new on Chrome, you can come here and see everything that is new here on Chrome. It's fantastic for you to keep an eye on these things so that you can harness them. If you have been following this thread, you can let me know in the comment section which of the new features here have made a difference for you. And also, if you're hearing about these new features for the very first time, you can let me also know in the comment section which one you find most amazing among the feature, and the one you'll be trying or the one you are trying currently. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it super useful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any issues, as usual, I'll be looking out for them in the comment section. I'll see you in another tutorial, and until then, stay safe.